In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Doge future while talking about Dogecoin cost figure for 2023 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking. Not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Dogecoin. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the Dogecoin value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Doge is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will Doge succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Dogecoin value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Doge and its to-date history. Dogecoin value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and major evaluation of each task. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023-0501 plus 0.07% $0 0836 2023 05 02 plus 6.58% $0 0890 2023 05 031.00% $0 0827 2023 05 04 plus 7.73% $0 0900 2023 05 05 plus 6.21% $0 0887 2023 05 06 plus 7.24% $0 0896 2023 05 07 plus 0.72% $0 0841 2023 05 08 plus 3.88% $0 0868 2023 05 09 plus 0.57% $0 0840 2023 05 10 plus 7.37% 8 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2023 to 2023 May plus 6.78% $0 0892 2023 June plus 3.05% $0 0861 2023 Joel plus 1.88% $0 0851 2023 AUG plus 12.13% $0 0936 2023 SEP plus 4.53% $0 0873 2023 OCT plus 11.33% $0 0930 2023 NOV plus 11.29% $0 0929 2023 DEC plus 18.62% $0 0991 2024 JAN plus 23.71% $0 1033 2024 FEB plus 22.81% $0 1026 2024 Blemish plus 19.78% $0 1000 2024 APRA plus 24.80% 10 cents. Doge value expectation 2025 Our expectation model sees Doge coming to 13 cents in 2025. What will Doge be worth in 5 years? The cost of Doge in 5 years could lie around 16 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2030 to 2040 What Dogecoin will be worth in 2030? Our estimating model sees Dogecoin coming to $0 in 2030. What Dogecoin will be worth in 2040? Our gauging model sees Dogecoin coming to $0 in 2040. Will Dogecoin supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Dogecoin won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $1? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $1 in the short or mid-term period. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $10? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $10 in the short or mid-term period. Might Dogecoin at any point reach $100? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. How high will Dogecoin go? Our determining model sees Dogecoin cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future. Is Dogecoin worth purchasing? We don't see a splendid future for Dogecoin. It merits purchasing just as a momentary theory with a decent leave methodology. Dogecoin is definitely not a decent long-haul hold. Is Dogecoin a wise speculation? Dogecoin is definitely not a wise interest as we would like to think. Why? Indeed, it faces a savage contest from other comparative crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certifiable local area, and the group behind the undertaking is dubious. Could Dogecoin at any point make you a mogul? No, Dogecoin might not cause you a mogul as we at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from here on out. What amount will Dogecoin be worth? For the transient future, it could reach 7 cents. In the long haul, it will undoubtedly drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will Dogecoin succeed and get more expensive? Dogecoin has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first mover advantage, it brings no special incentive, it has a frail group and little local area behind it. All of this summarized forestalls Dogecoin to succeed in ascending cost as long as possible. Dogecoin projections long haul most of undertakings will fizzle. A few new businesses are made just to accumulate reserves and vanish. Some wouldn't deal with the opposition, however most are simply thoughts that look great on paper, yet truly are futile for the market. Vitalik Buterin, prime supporter of Ethereum, said, "There are a few smart thoughts, there are a ton of exceptionally impractical notions, and there are a great deal of incredibly impractical notions. And many tricks too. Thus, more than 95% of fruitful ICOs and digital currency tasks will fall flat and their financial backers will lose cash. The other 5% of undertakings will turn into the new Apple, Google, or Alibaba in the crypto industry. Will Doge be among those 5%? In the event that we tell the truth, there isn't a lot happening for Doge to the side of this inviting and impassioned local area. It is outlandish to anticipate a drawn-out Dogecoin endurance in the event that is the main pivot for the venture. Dogecoin is gradually dipping under the market cap positions it was in 2017, with not a single specific premium and true use cases to be seen, aside of a regular utility and foundation tipping. However, Dogecoin people group is generally a pleasant spot for a decent giggle. It is an image realm of cryptographic money world. For what reason will Dogecoin succeed? Explanations behind Dogecoin to go up and ascend in cost are scant. It is as yet one of the most loved messes around. Even Elon Musk joins the fun at times, yet we just don't see the reason for Doge long-haul achievement. Its utilization case is now taken up by Bitcoin and other more serious ventures. Dogecoin could hibernate its way into the future as a wistful worth that early adopters